Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my account size balance right here in my Thinkorswim account. As you guys can clearly see, $76,735.55. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm super happy with my consistency. And yeah, as you guys can clearly see here, this is the overall market right now. For the past couple months or so. I know I haven't been uploading videos because I've pretty much been on the sidelines for the most part due to the coronavirus and all of that. You guys can see here the clear sell-off that has been happening, and now we're going back into a bullish territory. But you can clearly see here that we're actually testing to see if we're gonna be passing this SMA line right here. Yeah, but again, like I said, I've been on the sideline. I'm not sure if you guys have been taking any trades or whatnot, but usually I like to wait until I see a clear path, clear signal in order for me to, feel comfortable trading with my account. So yeah, this is SPY, by the way. This is the ETF, S&P 500, so it tracks everything that's in the 500, the Fortune 500 companies. If we take a look here at Amazon, we can see that it has recovered pretty well, but not back to the point where it's up to 2100 or so, but to the previous highs. It went to the previous lows to 1618 here, and we actually recovered. And also we have to take note that we do have earnings coming up. We're just gonna see. I'm actually just gonna wait and wait it out a little bit and see what happens. So how have you guys been? I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I just wanted to show you guys my account here, showing that I have been, consistently have been profiting, even before the sell-off happened. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully you like this video, and hopefully it's sort of an inspiration for you guys to continue. Don't get discouraged. Keep pushing and keep learning every day, because you have to keep practicing and learning as you go through life. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. So smash that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. And you know what to do, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.